There's a couple different ways for customers to get equipment into us. In most instances, what they will do is they'll call one of our sales support agents or one of our technicians, and they'll say, hey man, I'm running into this issue. And in many instances, what we do is we try to tech troubleshoot with them over the phone to see if it's something that we can get them going back up and running that day, potentially, and minimize whether or not an in-house service is needed. If we start to realize, okay, hey, wait a second, an in-house service is needed, then we start putting that case information into one of our CRM platforms so that way we can get consistency across multiple things. Number one, it allows us to keep a track record of what we're talking to you about, what you're experiencing, and what we're going to potentially do in the future. And it lays out the framework for our in-house service team that then start to know once this rig comes in or once this piece of equipment comes in, here's some of the trouble factors that need to be looked at immediately from that standpoint, as well as it allows us then to give a guidance to what other potential factors might be involved with it from that side of things.
Once the equipment comes in is when we start the intake process of it, going through it, seeing what needs to be done, relaying this information back to the customer before we even start any work. I find it really key importance on sharing that information with the customer before we even begin the work on the equipment.
Our focus on it is really to define what our needs are that we need to do to it, as well as matching that up with the customer and being able to capture those notes and understanding what's going on throughout the whole service process.
We work hands-on with operation managers, sales staff on those aspects, just to help them better understand what's new in the industry, what's different, what's going on with the equipment, advanced and chemical, different aspects on that. And then like with the operations managers, other technicians as well, we work with teaching them more on what they're missing out on the equipment that's out here now.
You know, if you look at the technicians that we hired, our technicians have significant field experience, not only with our equipment, but also personally themselves, because most of our technicians have been out there in the field leading crews and spraying foam or coatings before they came to us.
So offering the in-house service and our in-field service, what I've seen, big key improvement, what we have been doing, we do a 52-point inspection. We go through the rig with a fine-tooth comb, from even looking at your generator, compressor, your reactor. So even if a customer calls in and says, hey, I just need this pump rebuilt, we're going over everything. We can prevent any future problems while we're there as well.